right, Todd with Jeep Speed Shop. Here we have an HP 70. This is the plug that goes into the back of the train. So you can kind of see how far down it is in there to make sure it's seated properly. So when you go to install it, let's see, how do I do that? Okay, so put it in, it sits right in. You should be able to spin it down and lock. You'll hear it click, and it should look like that. That's locked in. You can see how deep it is inside. That's how it goes together. So, and it starts up there, like so, and it rotates down, and you hear it click, and you're in. So, all right. Double check your trannies, make sure they're plugged in right. Because the thing is, we gotta take the outer ring off. So sometimes we don't get them put back together right. It's happened a few times. This isn't one of our harnesses, this is an old plug. So I can yank on it, I'm gonna throw it away anyway. So, but we just gotta make sure that we get these put in right. So that we don't get, you know, one of them blinky lights. All right. Bam, come on, you. See, it's not easy, especially one-handed. I'm right-handed. So let's see. Yep, there we go. Locked in. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.